Good morning, children. Welcome to today's EVS class. From today, we will start block 5, children. We are going to learn about plants. Is it not interesting, children? So today's class, we will learn useful plants. The lesson LP1, useful plants. You can see the picture, children. You can see an eraser is kept, a book is kept on a wooden table. Wood, paper, eraser that is made of rubber we get from plants. Do you know that, children? Yes, we will learn more about plants and how are they useful to us. Let us get started, children. We already know that there are many plants around us. Today we will learn about the things we get from plants. So you might have seen different types of plants surrounding you. Some are small, some are big, some are climbing, some are creeping on the ground. Yes, children, and some are even very soft stem plants. Different plants are surrounding us and they are very, very useful to us. So, see the keyword environment. That means the natural world around us. The natural things you see around us, surrounding you, is called your environment. So, in your environment, you might have observed many types of plants, big and small, and you all know that they make the place green and also they give us the fresh air to breathe. That is why plants are called as our friends, green friends. They make the place, our environment green, no, children? So that is the new word you are going to learn in today's class. environment, environment. That means the place surrounding us, the area surrounding us. Yes. So now, as a part of today's activity, as I told you, you all might have kept the things ready. I told you to keep a fruit, a vegetable, cotton, a plastic spoon or plastic ball, different things. I hope that you all have kept ready. And you also might have kept, instead of this box, I told you to keep 2 bags, no, children? So in the 2 bags, you will start filling the bags. Yes, children, let us get started. So you take the fruit what you have kept. Let it be an apple, let it be a banana, let it be a strawberry or pineapple or guava, whatever. From where do we get this, children? From where do we get the fruits? Very good. So we get the fruits from the plants. So keep it in one of the bags, children. Among the 2 empty bags, so keep the fruit in one bag. Next, you take the vegetable. Let it be a brinjal or lady's finger or drumstick or any green leaf or cabbage. So whatever vegetable you have kept ready for the activity. From where do we get that, children? From where do we get the vegetables? Very good, from the plants. So keep it in the bag where you have kept the fruit. So fruit and vegetable you are going to keep in the same bag. Next, you pick the spoon or fork what I told you to keep ready, children. So the spoon or the fork what you have kept ready. You can see here also some pictures are there. So that should be kept in the another bag. It will not go to the bag in which you kept the fruits and vegetable. So that spoon or the fork you keep in the another bag. Then you pick the cotton what you have kept, children. So that you know from where do we get the cotton? Cotton is used for making clothes, children. Yeah, we get the cotton from the plant. So let it go to the plant bag. Now we'll call that bag as the plant bag. And another bag is not the plant bag. So you understood that the activity is we are separating the things what we are getting from plants and the things which we don't get from the plants. The spoon is a metal that is not from the plant. And take the plastic box which you are kept, children. Plastic do we get from the plants, do you think? No, children, they are made up of chemicals. So keep it in the another cover where you have kept the fork or spoon, children. Now coming to the next items what you have kept. Fruits, vegetables, cotton over. Yeah, paper. Your book what you have kept. Paper do you know from where we get, children? Yes, we get from the plants. Put it in the plant cover. Yeah. And what about the gum, children? I told you to keep the gum. Do you know gum is also from the plants? Some trees called acacia and all, they give you a gum substance. So that is only collected and used, which you use for sticking, no, that gum. That is also from plant. Keep in the plant bag. Next the eraser. Do you know from where we get the rubber for making the eraser and also the tires of the vehicles? Your mom's scooty or father's bike or car. The tires are made up of rubber, and your eraser is also made up of rubber. So that should go to the plant. And I told you to keep some flowers. Tell me now which bag the flowers should go, children. Very good. It should go to the plant bag. And see the stones surrounding you, see some soil, stones. They all will go to the bag in which you kept the fork or metal spoon or plastic box. And also you were asked to keep some cloves and turmeric, no children? So they are also from the plant. They are the plant parts, children, and they are very useful for treating some health issues also, that we will discuss now. So cloves and the turmeric packet also should go to the plant. And the pencil which you are doing, you know that wooden part of the pencil, that wood, from where do we get? Very good, from the plant. The table, maybe it is a plastic table or wooden table. You see, wooden table means it is from the plant. Plastic table on which you are sitting and writing, keeping the books, it is not from the plants. Now you carry the bag in which you kept all the plant products, children, from where we get all these. See how much heavy it has become. Even so many we can add up, children. Fruits, vegetables, cotton, wood, cloves, turmeric, leaves, flowers. Some of the leaves we use for even as medicine, like tulsi leaves and all, no? So all this we get from even the rubber, gum, we get from the plants. And the stones, the metal, plastic and all we don't get from the plants. So now you might have understood from this activity how useful are plants. We are getting so many things from the plants. Yes, let us watch this video. Let us watch this video to understand better, children.
Plants are useful to us in many ways. They give us wood, food, cotton, medicines, rubber, gum, and other things. Plants keep the air clean. We should plant more trees and take care of them.
Yeah, children, see, you are seen in that video so many things which all you kept. So many things we get from the plants. They are very, very useful to us. That's why we are learning this lesson, useful plants. Now you understood how useful are plants. See this question, children. Why did we put the pencil into the box but not the fork? So pencil, why did you go to that plant cover, children? Because the wooden part of the pencil, the wood for making the pencil we get from the plants. Fork or the spoon, they are made up of metal. They are not from the plant. That is why we did not keep them in the cover, plant cover. Yes, children. Now, so the pencil is, that's what the answer is here. And fork is made up of plastic or metal. That's why they are not plant products. And the wood, the gum, air, rubber, all are plant products. What are the useful things we get from plants? By now you all know this. See this table, children. See this table. You see that useful things that we get from the plants. So first are the fruits and vegetables. That is the food. So many items, not only fruits and vegetables, children. Rice, jowar, wheat, ragi, whatever we are, cereals, pulses. We learnt in food groups lesson, no? So many of the food items what we eat, we get from the plants. Medicines, just now I told, no? Cloves and turmeric, they have medicinal value also. Cloves can treat your tooth pain, and turmeric is an antiseptic. If you get a cut or wound, we can apply turmeric. Yes, they are even not only clove and turmeric, there are so many. Just now I told you, no children, even the tulsi leaves, they can treat your cough and cold. So many plants have medicinal value. They will give us even medicines. Wood, cotton, rubber and gum. So this is a very important pick you have to nicely observe and you have to understand. We get so many things from plants, fruits, vegetables, medicines, wood, cotton, rubber and gum. That is why useful plants we are saying. How else are the plants useful to us, children? Why should we plant more trees? Tell me. So how else? Starting of the lesson we learned that environment. Do you remember that word? Yes, the plants makes the environment green. And wherever it is green, there we have the fresh air. We get the oxygen to breathe in. and so that we can be healthy. So plants not only make the surrounding green, and they also give us the fresh air. That is why we need to plant more trees. See here children, plants give us fresh air and help to keep the air cool and clean. Plants are home to many animals also, no children? Squirrels, birds, ants and monkeys. All these animals are very important part of the environment. So we should plant more trees and take care of them. The last pic of the video, a boy was planting along with a man. So same way, we all should plant more trees, because you see there, they will not only give us the fresh air, they'll keep the place cool, clean. Even many animals live there. They are home for many animals. That is why they are very, very important in our environment. Now, as usual, we will see what is given in our content book, children. Yes, let us take out the content book. See here, children, LP1, useful plants. Plants are of different types. Some climb, some grow along the ground, some grow big, while some are very small. Some grow even in water and some on the land. Plants are very useful to us in many ways. Plants also give us fresh air. We should plant more trees and take care of them. That's what we are discussing, no children? We see everywhere plants. They are very, very important part of the environment. You see the pictures, children. See the paper, the book, what you are having, your content book itself is made from the plant. And you see the food items, so many fruits and vegetables, even you kept ready, no children? We get from the plants. Cotton for making clothes. Even see the medicines we get from the plants. And the rubber for making tires, your eraser, gum also we get from the plants. And wood, you see children, for making furniture, and the very simple one in your hand, that is the pencil, which is made up of wood. See there, so many things we get from the plants. That is why plants are called as green friends, and also they are called as they are very, very useful to us. Yes. So how can we understand better? By attempting these practice questions. Let us see, children. Circle the things that we get from the plants. See there, children, what all given: milk, fruit, vegetables, wood and butter. So milk we get from the cow or buffalo, no children? And butter from the milk. So you think and you circle that. Very good. Shall we do that, children? Very good. So what all we have to circle? Fruit already you all kept. Vegetables you have to circle, and also you have to circle the wood, no children? Wood. Yes. Fruit, sorry, milk also, sir. 1 minute, children. See here. Yeah. So the wood also you have to circle. Vegetables you have to circle. Fruit you have to circle. So do that, children. Now, why do we call plants our green friends? Their plants are called as green friends because they make the environment green. They give us fresh air. They keep the air cool and clean. Just you can write, plants keep the air cool and clean. Cool spelling is easy, COOL. Clean spelling also easy. You can try it on your own, children. So now see, why do we call our plants our green friends? Plants keep air cool and clean. So when anything is clean, green, so that is, they are also giving us, even you can write, plants give us fresh air. Plants keep the environment green. That's why they are called as the green friends. They help us in many ways. Now last question, you see, children, why should we plant more trees? Why should we plant more trees, children? Tell me. Plants are very useful to us. Yes. So plants are very useful to us. Useful. They give us, you can add up, children, they give us food, they give us medicines, they give us wood, they give us paper, they give us gum. So some of them you include down to that I am not rating. You will do that. That is why plants give us. Another way you want to write this, you can write like this: plants give us, what all we learned, children? Wood, food, simple words, simple way only I am writing, so that all can write. And what else, children? Gum. Some you write. That is why plants are, we need to plant more trees. Yes. So this way you can complete this. So after this is over, reading 2 times when you do, it will be easy for you to complete the worksheet. 5.2, you please write the date See the first question, children, just ticking only, very simple one only. Tick the things that you get from the plants, that are made of things which we get from plants. See that mango, yes, put a tick. Chair, yes, from the plant. Spoon, no, metals are from the earth, no. Eraser, again, very good. Now see, draw two things made from the things we get from plants. We'll take from the plant and we'll make. So can you draw, children, on your own? What can you draw? You can draw even a cotton shirt. You can draw a chair. You can draw a book. Yes, I'll draw a book because we are all reading using the book only, no? So book from the paper which we get from the plant. So I will name it also book. Yes, like this you think and you do one more on your own, children. Now see the next question, and also they want the name of the things. So you can write the name of the two things. Why should we plant trees? Again, same question. Plants give us, how do you write that, children? Plants give us. So by now you know that how to write this. Plants give us. I will show you on tabular column so that it will be easy for you to answer this. You see this, children. You remember this. Plants give us fruits and vegetables, medicines, wood, cotton, rubber and gum. That is why plants are important. So this only, first you learn this, then it will be very easy for you to write all the answers. Yes, today's class we have discussed how useful are plants, and we all know now so many different things we use in our everyday life we get from the plants. So you read the content book, complete the practice questions, you learn better, then you try the practice questions. This tabular column is going to help you, flow chart is going to help you to answer all. Complete all this and be ready for the next class, children. Bye bye, children.